Hey YouTubers, today I'll be unboxing the new Tech Deck DGK model here. Okay, here. I got it for $497 US here. The DGK, I'm not sure what model is it. Wait, give me a second. Okay, here. This one, I'm not sure what model is it, but just know it's DGK. Here, so we'll be unboxing it. This is the 96mm one. 96mm here. Behind the instructions, as you can see, you'll be given a screw, 4 sets of tires, see, 4 sets of design tires, and some stickers, DGK stickers, and as well as one set of Tech Deck. Okay, I'll be unboxing it. Okay. Wait, let me see. It's kind of hard to unbox it. Yeah, it's hard to unbox it. Oh, it really looks so cool now. Okay, got it unboxed. You can see here, it's unboxed already. Okay, taking this out. They will give you one small free nut here. So this is the Tech Deck. Wait, hold on, the screw it's not tight. Wait. You'll be given a screw. So you can see it here. This is the screw. Stickers, so these are the stickers. DGK, I hate DGK all day. And 4 sets of this tires with some design on it. Here, get 4 sets of this. Okay, let's move on. So this is my Tech Deck here. See it behind the one of this wheel came off. So I need to fix it. Okay, you can see it here. The screw can be what you call that? Can be unscrewed. You can just take it out and unscrew it. Okay, this is DGK here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.